Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about what is financial statement analysis. Okay, subscribe to Way to Commerce. First of all, we have to define financial statement. Financial statement analysis is the use of analytical or financial tools. Use of analytical or financial tools to examine and compare financial statements in order to make business decisions. To compare financial statements for business decisions. In other words, financial statement analysis is a way for investors and creditors to examine financial statements and see if the business is healthy enough to invest in or loan to. So ultimately, financial statement analysis is a way for investors and creditors for examining the financial statements, and they have decided business is healthy enough to invest in the business or loan to the business. Okay. What does financial statement analysis mean? Financial statement analysis takes the raw financial information. So first of all, we take the raw financial information from the financial statements and turns it into usable information that can be used to make decisions. First of all, we take raw financial information from the financial statements, and the information what is acquired from the financial statements, it converts into useful information used to make decisions. It's the financial statement analysis. The three types of analysis are: one is horizontal analysis, second one is vertical analysis, and ratio analysis. Each one of these tools gives decision makers a little more insight into how well the company is performing. Okay, we discuss in detail each and every concept. That means each type of analysis in separate class. Now we discuss one example. For instance, horizontal analysis is the comparison of business performance over time. Investor can use the performance trends to predict future performance. So they can predict the future performance. Next, vertical analysis. Vertical analysis compares the company performance to a base number. In a sense, vertical analysis is like benchmarking. Don't worry, in each analysis we discuss in separate class with examples and problems also. Ratio analysis is probably the most common form of financial statement analysis. It is the most common form. Ratio analysis, that is important. Ratio analysis compares different financial statement accounts. For instance, the debt to equity ratio compares the company's debt to the total equity. This ratio inversely shows investors how much the assets are worth that they own after all liabilities are paid off. Shows investors how much the assets are worth that they own after all the liabilities are paid off. That means how much assets in the business after paying off all the liabilities. So it's only applicable for the shareholders. Ratio analysis cannot only be used horizontally to chart intercompany trends. It can also be used to compare different companies also. So ratio analysis also used to compare different financial companies. For example, A small and large company cannot be compared on a pure dollar value or rupee value. A small and large company cannot be compared on a pure dollar value or rupee value, because so the business structure is different and small business structure is different. That means internal controls, the machinery used, and etc. It would not be fair, but instead ratios are used. We can find out proper estimates. Okay, financial statement analysis is used by all investors and creditors to gauge the performance of a company and help predict future performance to base financial decisions on. Okay, this is the concept today. Today we discussed what is financial statement analysis and definition, what does financial statement analysis mean, and there are three types of analysis: horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, ratio analysis. Examples also I have discussed. Subscribe to Way to Commerce.